Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today we are going to solve simplification sums which are generally asked in entrances like UPSC, NTPC, railways, all of that. Okay, so now how do we solve such kind of questions? Okay, there are obviously two methods. One is your traditional method and another is the trick. Okay, so first let's understand your traditional method. Here you have a mixed fraction. Okay, so what you do in that case is you first convert it into improper fraction, that is 98 plus 42 upon 61 into 61. Okay, so now 98 into 61 plus 42 into 61, correct? So now in this particular case, what you do is you first convert it into improper fraction and then you do the rest of your operations. Okay, but since we already know that the denominators is 61 and here also we have a 61, you do not have to do this step. Okay, you can directly do this orally and you can come to this particular step, which is 98 into 61 and then adding 42 to it. Okay, so now over here what happens is normally students start multiplying. Okay, but now if you look closely, 98 is very close to 100, so 100 minus 2 into 61 plus 42, so you get 6100 minus 2 into 61 is what? 122 plus 42. So now instead of doing this subtraction, you do this and this first. Why? Because 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Okay, so basically you will get 6100 minus, because why minus? Because 122 is greater than 42. Okay, so what you do is when you subtract 122 from 42, or rather 42 from 122, you get 80 and then it becomes much easier. So you get 6020. Okay, understood? So now very quickly let's understand what happens when your denominators are different. Okay, in that particular case what you do is, again we will do this 9 into 37 plus 35. Okay, now if you look closely, 37 and 185 comes in 37 stable. When you multiply this by 5, you get 185. Okay, so you can do this orally over here and cancel this by 5. Okay, so now what happens is you are now getting whatever answer you're getting from this bracket is just simply getting multiplied by 5. Now again 9 into 37, one second, can be done orally, but I would rather stick to 10 minus 1 into 37 plus 35 into 5. So basically I am getting 370 minus 37 plus 35 into 5, correct? So here I am getting 370 minus 37 plus 35 will get you minus 2 into 5. So you will get 368 into 5. And you know, whenever you're multiplying any number by 5, we just simply, if it's an even number, you can directly divide it. When you divide this by 2, so basically you're getting 18184 and you add a 0 to it. Okay, I made a short on this. If I get the link for it, I will definitely put it up on the I button or somewhere in the description. Okay, so now students, the reason for me to make this video is, please understand, while doing these kind of calculations you end up wasting a lot of precious time. Even if it is like 5 seconds, 6 seconds, this eventually accumulates into like 5 minutes, 6 minutes when you have to do many sums like these. Okay, so the reason for this is, if you look closely here, I am using tricks which are very very simple, but if you don't practice it on regular basis, then definitely you might not be able to recollect these tricks in your exam as well. Okay, so now very quickly let's do the next one. So over here, see, you can see that 99 and 99 are same. Okay, so we are just going to use the trick and we are just going to do 199 into 99 plus 90. Why? Because this and this will eventually cancel, and then we will just add 99 to whatever your answer is. So we have this as 200 minus 1 into 99 plus 90. Okay, and then we are adding 99. So now this can be written as 200 into 99. Okay, so what is that going to get you? It is 19800. Okay, minus 99 plus 90 plus 99. Okay, so now here what you can do is this and this will directly cancel. So all you have to do is 1980 plus 90, that is 19890. So you saw how easy this entire question became. Okay, so please understand there are few things, there are few basics about mathematics. One is that division sometimes gets easier than multiplying, just in this case, like when you're multiplying by 5 rather than dividing an even number by 2 is much easier. Okay, similarly sometimes subtraction is not that easy. In this particular case, if you have to subtract 1980 by 99, it would have been difficult. Okay, so you just simply do what? You can have another number which is 99, so you can cancel them. Okay, so basically my point is you have to be attentive to your question. Not necessarily these questions are only going to come in your paper, but the thing is, this is how you can do your simplification. That is my basic understanding from all of these sums, and from whatever I'm checking from my students also. A lot of students are wasting time in these kind of sums. Okay, so now over here, if you look closely, this is 1za and this is 2za. Okay, so now here what you get is 999 into 98 plus 96 plus 4. Okay, and this is still getting divided by 2. See here again, one thing very important, since things are cancelling, don't make the mistake of multiplying 2 by 999. Okay, that's not going to work. Understood? This is originally, you will have to stick to your mixed fraction conversion to improper fraction. Okay, and then you have is 1000 minus 1 into 98 plus 96 upon 2 plus 4. Now understand, here you have a plus 4, you do not have multiplied by 4. Lot of students make a mistake and cancel this and this. No, you can't do that. It is never going to work, especially when you have a plus 4. Okay, only you can do the cancellation part only and only if your numerator is completely getting multiplied, there is no plus minus sign, and there is another number which is completely getting multiplied. If there is a plus or minus sign in your numerator anywhere, then you cannot cancel it. Okay, so you have 98,000 minus 98 plus 96. Okay, this is still divided by 2 plus 4. Okay, so now what you get over here is 98,000 minus 2. Okay, so that will get you 97,980. Upon 2 plus 4. So now here you have a choice. What you can do is you can multiply this 2 with 4 and get your answer, or you simply divide this and whatever answer you get, you will then add 4 to it. Okay, so now in this case, dividing is easier, this number by 2, because eventually when you add 8 and then you are going to add all of this, you're still going to divide it. Okay, so this is much easier. So when you divide this, you get 48999, and then you're adding 4 to it. So when you add 4 to it, you get 499003. Yeah, 4900C. So this is your answer. Okay, so do like and subscribe for many such videos.